This is the question practical session of DBMS, and I'm going to discuss the third question of the second day, which is the eighth question. And in here I have to create a database for a business, mobile phone business, to store the mobile phone data and the customer's data. And I have to create the database called mshop, and I have to add two tables called customer and product, and create the table mentioned in here. I have to add the data into the tables and find the all customer by queries, find the details of all the products, and find the details of the customers. And the customer ID is 003. Now I'm going to do it in Heidi. I'm going to open the HeidiSQL. I have created the mshop table. Merely I am going to drop it, and I'm going to create a new table called new database mshop. I'm going to create the database, pressing OK. Now database is created, mshop. I'm going to create new tables. Table name is customer, and you get the columns customer ID. Customer ID is the primary key. It's Vacha and 10. It's also the primary key of the table. I'm going to the second key, first name. First name, it's Vacha 45. The second name, last name, Vacha 45, and then the gender, Vacha 10, contact number, it's also Vacha 10. Now I'm going to save it. Now the table is customer ID default value, it should not be null, no default values. I'm going to set save. They all should be allow null, and I'm going to create now the customer table is created. I'm going to create the product table. Product, new table, product has for product ID, product ID is also Vacha and length in 10, and it's also primary key. It's also no default value. And I'm going to add the second column. Second column is brand name. Brand name is Vacha and 45 in length. I'm going to add the third one, model number. Model number. It's also Vacha and 45. The price it's double. So that is a product table. I'm going to save it. Now I'm going to add the data into the tables. Okay, now I have created I have entered the data into the both tables, customer table and the product table. And now let's move to the third question. I have to use the queries in here. So in here I have to add the data graphically. I have already did it, and find all the customers. I am going to type the query select all from customer. So that is the query I'm going to execute. Find all the customers. So this is all the customers in the customer table. That is the query, simple one. And find all the details of the products. I have to just change the table name only, product. I'm going to execute. Then I got the whole product table in as the answer, and I have to find the details of the customer whose customer ID is cost03. Say then I have to enter the customer table, customer where customer ID underscore ID equals that ID CUS underscore CUS 003. That is the details. Select all from the customer where customer ID is that ID. Going to execute it. Okay, now I got the ID. I got the customer whose ID is 003. All the details. Okay, that's it for the 6th question also. So then that is the end of the 8th question and the second day of the DBMS practical session.